Look at y'all. He do come. So you want me to put this in? I think now is happy birthday. Like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Scouty Pickles. He says, welcome back to the channel. Scouty Pickles. Scouty Tiny Dog Pickles. You tell him welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. We're getting ready to start our day. Well, we've been up for a while. It's after 2 p.m. We're finna get dressed. I'm finna get you dressed, Scouty Pickles. You finna put on your thick sweater and your winter coat. Then I'm gonna put on all my stuff. Oh, he said he wanted up in the lap. I'm telling you, he is a space invader. I can't do anything without him these days. He got to be right there to see what's going on. He has to be in the mix. So we about to go get in the mix at Renee's house. We finna go over here and tear something up, ain't we? Scouty Pickles. Yes, we finna go over there. So I'm finna go get all my winter gear on. I'm gonna put his on, and then we're gonna be on our way. I got Renee a little gifty gift. Come on, Scott, you gotta get down for a second. Then I'm gonna go sign her card real quick and put her stuff by my purse, pack his little to-go bag, and yeah. And then that's about it for us in the house, and then we're gonna be headed on. Yeah, I wanna sign her card, get her little gift bag together, and then we're gonna be on our way. We're gonna be on our way to see Renee and the girls. Scouty Pickles. Scouty Pickles.
He's Scouty Tiny Dog Pickles. Tiny Dog. Scouty Pickles.
Alright, Scouty wanted to show y'all his sweater of the day. This is his thick sweater. You look handsome. You look good, Scout. He keeps wanting to give you close-ups. You got to show him your outfit. Stay. Stay. Okay, this is not working. You look cute. You look cute, Scout. Come on, Scout. So we got her an AirTag holder, and her little card with a little extra something inside. Okay. Okay, it's cute. It's cute. All right, really quick, because this did come today. This is some new wall sconces. Y'all know I'm a light connoisseur. I love cool wall sconces and any kind of ceiling light that I can install myself, that I can operate with rechargeable lights. You know, that is my jam, because it is the easiest and most affordable way to transform a space. I'm telling you, lighting will do it every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these real quick. We're not gonna install them in today's video because, you know, today is Renee's day. We're going to the party. So let me just take a look at them because I'm so curious, and I said I might as well look at them with you guys. But we'll probably get to these during the weekend because I got a feeling that I'm gonna have nothing but time on my hands because we're gonna get snowed in. So yeah, we're gonna be installing these. But let's go ahead and look at them. Y'all know, just about a year ago, I installed these lights in my kitchen area, and I absolutely love them. They are still working beautifully. Love, love, love. I'll link that video down below so you can check that out. Such an easy and quick install. Transformed my kitchen area. You definitely want to see that. Definitely check out that video. Okay, so here are the lights. Now, this was an Amazon pickup. This is the brand, but don't worry, they will be linked down below. This is what they look like, and I do have them in black. I was thinking about gold, but I don't know. Let me see how I like the black on the wall next to the TV, because I was going for a theater style look because these are going in the den. I don't know. We might end up getting the gold, but let's look at them. How do you open these? Oh, right here. Okay, so slight assembly required. So we may have to, let me see how much time we got before we got to get in the car. We are going to go ahead and just put one together so that we can just see the true size of the light. And again, these are battery operated wall sconces. You can use these wherever you want in your home to add some light, just add some character. I'm telling you, lighting is the best way to transform a room and just add some, you know, some vibiness to it. Lights are a vibe. Okay, so here is what the lights look like. They're pretty long. They give kind of movie theater vibes. They will look cute alongside of your bed, up above your nightstand, alongside the TV, stairwells. They're just really, really nice. And they do come in 3 colors, I do believe. But like I said, the links will be down below should you be interested. And this was pretty self-explanatory in putting these together. I didn't need the instructions at all. But I am very like tech savvy and inclined to do mechanical type things though. But this was just super simple. I literally did this in less than a minute. But let's go ahead and turn it on because they should have enough battery to power on. Okay, so this is how they look powered on. The lights are pretty bright. I'm gonna cut the light off. Look at me doing the most like this is a full review. OMGG. We're supposed to be getting ready to go, but look at this. They're super nice. I'm gonna cut the light off just for kicks. Yeah, these are very nice. A nice moody light. So just imagine that on the wall. Very nice. Now it is adjustable, so it does have different light settings, and it does come with a remote. So the remote will power and operate both lights. But yeah, enough of that. We're gonna get into it the weekend when we're actually installing them. Yes, my Christmas trees are all still up, all 3 of them. But this is where I'm going to put them, in here on either side of the TV. I just think that'd be really vibey. And now that I'm looking at it, I think the black will be nice. We have enough gold in here. The black will be good. This is the den, so this is gonna be nice. I can't wait to finish and complete this install. Yeah, we definitely want to take the Christmas tree down before we complete the install. But yeah, I like it. Now this is a mood setting lamp. Now this one is pluggable. Does come corded, but I don't use it that way. I do have a battery operated bulb in it, and I love to sit under it when I'm just reading or iPadding, you know, just getting comfy in here. It's nice. If you have never experienced battery operated light bulbs, give them a try. You'll like them. One thing about it now, I know how to dress for low temperatures. I'm going to be warm. You better believe that. So tonight we're wearing our Steel Guard suit. This is the gray, fully insulated. This suit weighs about 8 pounds. When I tell you it's heavy, but it is so warm. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I have it in a couple of other colors, girl. Definitely need one of these in the collection. When I tell you, you can go anywhere in cold temperatures and look cute and be comfortable in this. Just accessorize it, and I feel like you'll be good. I'm always good. I do it. I'm going to wear these Bearpaw Boots and the Gucci scarf that I picked up a couple of years ago from Unclaimed Baggage. I think it's cute. It's a look. This is going to be the vibe. The vibe for tonight. Let me go get dressed real quick. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe late. You helping Renee? I know you can move that fast. He said he moves fast. He just don't be studying y'all at work. I see that. He just don't want to show y'all his ups and his little power. We are resting. Number 4. Setting up. I'll take his little stuff. Yes, that's perfect. Scout is more interested in the backyard. It's very nice, very beautiful. Man, you put that up there, so
Cousin Wayne was born from there. I'm glad Misha let the hoochie know.
Okay.
To put some clothes.
And no telling what I'm finna be on. Hey, hey, I'm beyond all that fun shit.
Everything's provided. Renee's hunch.
What kind of liquor? Let me see.
All of it. All of it. I said all of it.
All right, guys. Rice. Check.
Check. The rice is done.
Let it sit. Get a little crispy.
Yes, Sal, he's partying. Are you partying, Sal?
Y'all having a ball.
He is.
You just work too hard if you have close the lid and then maybe I close it so the rest can like.
Come on, the birthday girl got on her new crisp butters. Come on over and show us the butters. Butters. You got on your butters.
Yeah, butters.
Hey, NYCs.
Shorts up there.
Yeah, they do. Year round. Butters. All right, we're getting the shots prepared. Salute him again. Yeah. Oh,
You didn't finish yours.
No. See, she be trying to cheat.
Gee, you weren't supposed to drink
drink it.
I drink it.
Oh. Well, you supposed to wait on us.
Put it in that drink.
We ready. To Renee, happy birthday! Woo!
Look at Scout. He do come from. Watch this. Watch.
I wonder if he would even reach that. Dogs do it all the time. There's something and then they mess up. Licking up the drinks.
Because the trip ain't gonna take long.
Okay. Well, let's get some vegetables in there.
Yeah, okay.
So then we can have a complete meal before we go round two.
Tell him it's your birthday party. Well, you want me to put this in there?
A good now is okay.
I told you that.
Yeah.
Where you?
Hey, Scouty. Okay, we are ready.
Oh, look at this. Oh,
It looks good, don't it?
The rice is out here, Renee. Come on.
This is shrimp for me.
man, I gotta watch this.
Ooh, it's the chicken for me.
It's just everything.
And man, it's the salmon for me.
Let's see. Where you
It's
I got it.
the
Yo,
salmon.
this mine.
What the hell you sitting there, Renee? What the hell you finna sit right
How you
here?
feeling?
Man.
And it's pretty full.
What?
Come on, how you feeling, Renee?
I'm feeling great.
Man, I think I done went past the line.
Y'all.
That looks so
Renee, put
good.
in my goddamn drink. That's cool.
It's so good.
I would think this time.
I'm good.
I see you with your warm attire on. So cute.
This is
It
really
looks
nice.
good, Renee. Pretty.
Come on, before you burn
All the chocolate.
That is too cute.
Oh,
They
shit.
got the little sparkles.
Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Intermission.
Got a little nervous.
No, I wasn't about to lose my fingertips. All right, we get it. Oh, that's
Renee.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rena.
Happy birthday to you.
You're getting old.
She's not getting old.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, you already got us. Good stuff.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Renee.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
It was really, really cute.
Did you sing? I ain't hear your voice, Scout. I ain't hear your voice. Man,
It's a lot of legs.
it is a lot. I got some.
I'm about to flip. I'm gonna slow down.
Y'all, it is after midnight. Me and Pup are back home. We are so tired and so full. We had so much fun, y'all. Girl, I wish you could have came. I wish you could have been there, but we had a good time. And yes, my Christmas tree is still up in my bedroom. The Christmas trees, all of them are still up. I'm gonna take them down soon. Probably won't be this weekend because we're partying again this weekend. But yeah, we're definitely gonna shenan again Saturday. So I don't know when I'm gonna get to it, but I plan to. But yeah, girl, I just came to, you know, conclude the vlog and let y'all know I had a good time, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there'll definitely be another video. And it'll be even longer, I promise. But I definitely had to share my fun shenanigans tonight, okay? We definitely had to bring you this one. Bye.
Click and clock out, leave the stress at the door. You know what you came here for. Glow with me, glow with me, turn the volume up, let the world wait. Yeah, laugh lines, bold lips, living extra with me, glow with me, and that drama right off your face. This is a happy place. Come and crew, where you at? Say hey. Besties in the chat, checking in all day. From the desk job to the classroom, we bring the glam to your living room. Glow with me,